Good afternoon, everyone. Jeff here. It is April 2nd at 12:20 p.m. Eastern Time. I am recording this video as a follow-up to what Chris and Sergio spoke about on Tuesday's Show Me the Money Club when it comes to gas prices and just how easy it is to take advantage of every possible rebate that you can get to help minimize your costs doing rideshare. Now, for those of you who have watched my videos before, you know that I am a big proponent of the rewards program on Lyft. I think it is far better than Uber. I will address that in totality in a future video. However, let's focus on the topic today of gas rewards. So you're looking at my app right now as I'm recording this, and it can show you that I am an elite driver. So these are the points I earned last month, 4787. So this is how easy it is to return and use these points. I'm hitting redeem points and it takes you to the Lyft shop. To me, the best value by far is gas cash back on the left. It only costs you 375 points and you get $5 back. So comparatively, if you look down, like a $5 Starbucks gift card costs you 475 points. So all of the store gift cards cost you more. So let's just focus on how easy it is, and then we'll talk about the other give backs that you get. And by the way, if you take 4,700 points, divide it by 375 points, I get about 14 of these just for the points I earned last month. 14 times 5 is $70. $70 just for driving. Again, some of you will complain because you're always going to complain, but you're getting $70 back on gas for this month alone. So all you do is touch the gas pump and it tells you this is how it works. And to find the station with upside, I'll take you through that in a second. I'm going to click redeem and confirm. Thanks for your order. Use the map to find stations, claim the station cashback offer, and pay at the pump with a linked card. Very important. It has to be a linked card, and to get the most for your bang for your buck, it should be a Lyft debit card. Which, by the way, if you have a Lyft debit card, you'll get paid after every ride with no fee. You can withdraw the money as cash back at any supermarket or at any all-point ATM across the country. There are free withdrawals. So let's click Get Gas. So you can see where I am. I'm at Lake Mary and I'm at a hospital. Well, why am I at a hospital? Because I just completed the first leg of a medical trip, which was 48 miles that I earned $48 for. Now I have an hour to kill. So it's showing me that there's a Circle K 1.7 miles away from me that's giving 84 cents a gallon cash back. Now that does include, and I'll show you after I claim it. So I'm going to claim Get Cash Back. Cash back offer claim, navigate to gas station. I'll do that after I show you the next slide. So if you scroll up, it shows you that regular is listed at $4.29. After you get all your cash back incentive, it's $3.45 a gallon. If you drop down on the menu, it breaks it down for you. So as an upside elite tier, I'm getting back 33 cents per gallon. As Lyft Direct as a form of payment, I get 12% cash back. That's another 51 cents a gallon off. That's 84 cents a gallon back on a gallon of gas. But wait, there's more. I'm going to pick this up again in another short video when I arrive at the gas station to tell you what there is more of. Stay tuned. So when you get to the gas station, your Lyft app tells you to pay with Lyft Direct and to get both deals. So you click Got It, and then you're on your way. Hey everyone, now for the more part. So we are here at the gas station that I chose, and you can see regular is $4.29 a gallon. And now as directed, you have to pay at the pump. So the first thing is, I also am a Circle K member. So I'm going to put in my mobile number, see if I get any additional discount. Now it says to put your card in, and again, you can't scan it, you can't Apple Pay it, you can't go inside and pay. You have to put it in at the pump. and you have to choose debit. I know it's weird, but this is the process. So now let's see if I get any more discount. So here's another 10 cents off, if you can see that, because I'm a member. So now we're up to 95 cents a gallon off, and you can see it took the 10 cents off right at the pump. So while I'm pumping, I'm gonna show you my ride. I've mentioned it before. So 2 years ago, I purchased this car, used, with 27,000 miles on it. It's a Lincoln MKZ Hybrid Reserve. Whoever bought it had taste, as it has every single option. The car currently has 181,000 miles on it. I bought it 2 years ago with 27,000 miles on it. Still immaculate. I can still do Lyft Black. I use it for my private rides. And other than routine maintenance, knock on wood, I have never put anything into it. So how much revenue you think I generated from this car on 160,000 miles that I put on it? As this is a hybrid, you can see that I am averaging 42.8 miles to the gallon, and you can see the mileage. I have nothing to hide. So for those of you in previous videos that have told me $1.75 a mile is chicken shit, well, what's $1.70 a mile times 160,000 miles? How much revenue have I generated in 2 years on this car compared to my expenses of 39 cents a mile? You guys need to wake up, stop being victims, invest in your business. So now I'm done, and I put in 3266 or 7.7 gallons. I'll pick up more of this in another video, showing you exactly how much cash back I got. Thanks. So now I'm back at the hospital waiting to pick up my client. I think the total time elapsed has been less than an hour. And you're looking at the front page of my Lyft Direct debit card account. So I want to refer back to something that was said by Sergio a couple of days ago, which I happen to agree with, although it's much easier to just do it through the Lyft debit account because you don't need to open up your own Upside account. It's all done for you through the app. So you can see the rewards on the bottom. So the 12% that I get for being an elite driver gets refunded almost immediately. And this is how easy it is to move it to your main account. Is that hard? I don't think so. Now let's go back to wallet, and you can see my main account just updated to 3231. Again, for all of you who are scared and say you don't trust Uber and Lyft, this is a bank account. If it's a state bank, it's regulated by the state. They have to follow the same rules as Chase, TD Bank. If you're going to have a problem with Lyft or Uber, the problem's going to be with Lyft or Uber. Why anybody wouldn't have this? You get paid after every single ride. There is no fee to do cashbacks. There is no fee at any all-point ATM. I just don't understand. I really don't. By the way, being elite, I also get $200 in overdraft. And the way it works is it's an interest-free loan for 90 days. You can use it and you can pay it back out of future rides, or you can make a deposit and you pay no interest as long as you pay it back within 90 days. I know, oh my God, rewards programs suck. You're a slave. You're a pawn. You're giving up this. You're giving up that. If you don't want to take advantage of the things that are out there just for driving, perhaps you're in the wrong game. I don't know what to tell you. So Sergio mentioned Upside is great for dining. Well, I'm still on the Lyft debit app and I'm clicking dining. So I'm 2.5 miles away from a PDQ. And if I hit claim, I'll get 27% back on my lunch. Then you can click see all offers. You can go to, even if you're in the convenience store and you use your Lyft debit card, the same place I was just to get gas. If I went in there and bought lunch, I get 10% back from Upside and 1% back on Lyft rewards, all in one place. Now, where a lot of you might say, well, this is bullshit, it's not worth it. What Lyft is actually doing is rewarding drivers who have low cancellation rates, high acceptance rates, and doing what the company wants them to do. You can call it whatever you want. To me, it's smart business. So the rest of the money I will get back, in addition to the $4.22, which I already got, will go to my Lyft app within a day or two. So then that will also be directly deposited into this account, and that will be the balance of the money for the 95 cents a gallon. Also, what I will get tomorrow is the $5 that I clicked on from my rewards points, which again, I earned by just driving. So why is Elite so important? When you're Elite on Lyft, you get $3, 3 rewards points per mile driven. If you're a regular tier, it's 1 for 1. If you're gold, it's 2 for 1. So the points are also adding up 3 times faster, and there's no limit on the points. There are months that I've gotten 8,000 points. That's a lot of gas money back. So in total, I will probably get about $14 back off the $33 gas purchase. If you don't think that helps you in these times, in my estimation, there's little hope for you and you're in the wrong game. Please forward your questions and your comments. Again, I will do a future video showing you exactly why Lyft rewards are far superior to Uber rewards. Stay tuned. Don't forget to watch the Show Me the Money Club, 6 Eastern every Tuesday. Greatest show pound for pound on the air. A lot of information, whether you agree with it or not. There's a lot of tools you could put in your toolbox. You can pick and choose. You don't have to agree. I don't agree with a lot of what Chris and Sergio say, but I stand behind what I believe in, and I try to prove my points through these videos. And to their credit, they're the ones who put them on their channel. Yes, my videos are crude. I am not into social media. I am not tech savvy. I'm a smart business person, and if I help one person by putting out these videos, I've succeeded. There will always be the naysayers, and I will provide facts to show you where I believe you're wrong. Have a wonderful day. Lyft's reward points are earned based on the fare of your ride, not by miles. They are comprised of base earnings, any wait time, and any adjustment. Turbo and Flash Turbo do not count, but tips do up to $15 per ride. And just to show you, another great tool would be, this is my file with all the gas apps that I have. The more the merrier. Take advantage of every single discount you have. Till the next time, out.